So when your GoPro doesn't work anymore, like this won't turn on anymore, then there's two things you can do. Either you charge it, and there is on this side here the charge port. Push in the button, open it up, and then there's the USB. Can you see that there? On the right, you can plug in your charger, here, there, and then the red lights turn on the camera when it starts charging. There, see that? The red light turned on, that means it's charging. It has more than one, right? There's another one, and there's another one. 3 lights are on red, that means it's charging. But if you're like me, and you hate to wait for so long, then you're better off with having a second battery. Like I do here. That's the battery that goes in the GoPro 5, 6 and 7s. I believe it looks like this now. The old camera I have, the GoPro 3, had a battery like this. See that? It looks different. The old one was thicker, but not as wide. Same length though, and has a different connector on the bottom. And not that different though, just in a different makeup here. And then here we push the button and pull it to the side, it pops up, and then you need to have small fingers to grab the tab there, and then put the new one in, and then you have to decide either this way or that way. Look inside, you see the contacts there on the left. Okay, so this way, battery goes in, push all the way down, and then here, back in. You saw it blinking once, so that means we can push the on button. There, it works again. And then it shows back here. Now you see this, 100% full. And here on this side also, all bars on the display, full. If you want to turn it off, push and hold, and we turn back off. So now I need to charge this battery, and I love this charger. The same way as it goes into the camera. You just plug this in here, push down, and then there's an orange light, and it turns green when it's full. Very easy. The question is now, how long does this take to charge? I guess we will find out. So if you want to know how long it charges and how much, then we can have something like this. It's a USB safety tester, it's called. You can look this up on eBay. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to plug this here into my USB port. Then it beeps and it displays how much power is going out. There, let me zoom in more. No? I can reset here, I think. So we see that the charger is using 0.006 amp. But now when I put the battery in, like this, and the light comes up, oh, sorry, here, then we see all of a sudden we are charging with 1 amp. And since this is a 1 amp battery, it should be charged in 1 hour. Right? So we're going to find out, because that little display there is going to show us later on the display how long it took and how much charge it put into the battery. Alright, so when I use this tester on it, then it comes back like after 1 hour. After 1 hour it puts 1200 milliamp in here. I think this is supposed to have 1220 milliamp. Yeah, it says that, 1220. That's exactly what I put in there. It was amazing. And it took 1 hour to charge this. So that's how long it takes. 1 hour to charge this battery. And in this charger, right, in the dual charger here. Very good charger. I love this charger. This is another battery here. I go charging here. I love the light. It's nice.